What's up guys, this is Mehran. In today's video we will be talking about how to bypass the FRP, I mean factory reset protection lock on your Samsung device. If you have forgot your Google account info after a factory reset, just don't worry, as in this video the iSomeSoft has got you covered. So the application which I'll be using is called iSomeSoft Refixer. Now the reason behind recommending this application because it's quite easy and anyone can use it at home without needing any technical knowledge. Now first of all, just download your desired version from the official site which I have given in the description and as well as in the comment section as well. Once your downloading is done, install the iSomeSoft at your PC or Mac and then just simply run it. Now you can see this is the main interface of iSomeSoft application, which looks quite friendly. You can use the first option if you have forgot your screen passcode and want to bypass it. You can use this feature. The middle one is to bypass the FRP lock, which I'm going to use in this video, while the third one can be used if you want to reset your device with a single click, and you can go with this feature. Now let's go ahead. Simply connect your Samsung device to the computer. The first thing which you would be required to reset your device, which you can do by side buttons by pressing the volume down button and the power button for a few seconds until the screen turns black. After that, release the volume down button and press volume up button. If you are using some other model, I'll prefer to use Google to find out how you can reset with the side buttons. You can use the app feature which I just showed you in the iSomeSoft application to reset your device. So just reset your device and then simply reboot with the side button. Now let's just go ahead with the application. Make sure you have selected the right option, as we will go with the first option because this is quite new Samsung model. If let's say you are using the Samsung Galaxy S8 or any other old Samsung device, you can go with the second option. Now connect your device to the Wi-Fi. After that, go back to the first page and click on emergency call. Now dial this code which is shown on the screen and just simply click on next. Now after a few minutes you will get notification on your device which would be about USB debugging. Just allow it and click on continue. Now let's wait for a while. It may take a few minutes on your device as well. Now you can see on the application it says FRP lock has been successfully removed. The phone will get restarted as well. And now let's wait for it and see if the FRP lock has been removed or it's still there. And that's it. As you can see, the FRP lock has completely gone and now you are free to use your device just like before. You can now log into your new emails account and the phone will definitely work just like before. Okay, so that's it. If you have also FRP lock on your Android device or any MI or Vivo device, I'll definitely recommend the iSomeSoft application to bypass factory reset protection in 2024. It's just quite easy to use. As I have mentioned, download link in the description and as well as in the comment section. You can download it from its official site. Let me know if you guys have got any question in your mind regarding iSomeSoft application. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.